Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the source sheet and confirming the target file lives in Google Drive. Make sure sharing is set so the sheet can access it, otherwise links will fail. Next, choose how you want to link: a simple URL in a cell, the hyperlink formula for clean text, or an import range for live data. Once done, position your cursor where the link will go and prepare the target file's URL or spreadsheet ID so you can paste or reference it immediately. Now create the actual connection. If you use hyperlink, type =hyperlink, paste URL, label so the sheet shows friendly text but opens the file. If you need live data, type =import range, spreadsheet ID, sheet 1, A1, C10, then press enter. When you use import range, Google will prompt you to allow access. Click it because that establishes the authorization. Make sure the spreadsheet ID is the long string from the Drive URL. If range is error, double-check sheet names and punctuation. Finish by testing the link. Click it and confirm the target opens, or verify imported cells populate. If import range shows #ref or #n/a, make sure the source file's sharing permits access and you've clicked Allow Access. Note viewer rights versus editor may change behavior. Once consistent, consider wrapping formulas with iFor to display friendly messages. If things still go wrong, recopy the spreadsheet ID from the URL and reauthorize access. That resolves most permission or ID mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.